Let's be real. It is a struggle to turn those home videos we take on our cell phones into something that we actually come back to and look at over and over and over again. What if you could have access to that video file easily, like at your fingertips, even on your coffee table or bookshelf? Today, I'm going to share how you can easily add a video to your scrapbook, photo book, or even travel journal, so that it's easy to enjoy for years to come. My name is Annabelle, and this channel is all about making magic with your home videos, aka turning that cell phone video into something that you're actually going to watch again later. The first step to adding video to your scrapbook is on my computer, so let's head over there and get started. Okay, so step one is to upload your video to YouTube as unlisted or private. Even if you obviously are not posting videos for the public, you can still post videos to YouTube. Just go to Create, Upload Videos, and you'll be able to select files from your computer. And you basically won't have to fill any of this out, but you will want to make note of this link here, so you can just click this button and it will copy the link to the clipboard, and then you'll want to go to visibility, and the choices that you can make here are private, unlisted, and public. Chances are, if you're wanting to put a video in your scrapbook, it's probably like a home video or a travel video, something maybe that you're not necessarily wanting to have public. So basically your options are either having it private, where like only you and other logged in people with YouTube accounts can view it, or you can have it as unlisted, which unlisted means that anyone with the link can watch your video, but it's not something that's searchable or that shows up on your profile or anything like that. This is great if you want anyone who's visiting your home or you give the scrapbook to can scan the video and watch it, but it's not something that random strangers would be able to find on the internet. And when you're ready, just hit save. Now you can see here that the video is listed as unlisted, so that's perfect. So the next step in this process is to create a QR code. I've used this website in the past, qrcodegenerator.com. It's really simple to use, it's free, so you paste in your video and it spits out a QR code. Now they have a few options for free that you can use, and then some if you sign up. This simple design works perfectly. I can just choose to download it, and it will give me the option to save it to my computer. Now I'll save it to my downloads folder, and it looks like this when I open it up in preview. The next step here is to print your QR code. You can definitely use, if you have sticker paper or labels, you can use those so that it's easy to apply to your scrapbook. But if you don't, which I don't, you can just print it on regular paper. You know, you can see here it like shows up pretty large. You'll have to play around with your printer a little bit to come up with a size that works well for your scrapbook layout or the size of your journal. You'll just have to kind of mess around with it. It's a little bit of a bummer that you're going to have to use up this whole page, but again, if you're using something like labels or stickers, probably have some kind of software that will allow you to move this around the page and just use the one label or sticker that you want. You can just hit print, and then we'll move on to the next step. Once you have it printed out, step 4 is to trim around your QR code to make it the right size for your scrapbook. If it's already on a sticker or a label, this part's pretty easy. You can just peel it off and stick it in to your scrapbook, your photo book, your travel journal, wherever you want it. But if it's just on regular paper, you can get creative and use washi tape, stickers, or just a glue stick to apply it to your page. Now all you have to do, step 5, is to scan your QR code with your phone, and it will take you right to the video. No having to remember a complicated link or try to find it in your bookmarks every time you're opening your scrapbook and you want to show someone else the video. Depending on the settings that you chose for your YouTube video, family and friends can even just scan the QR code as they're flipping through the album themselves, and it will take them to the video too. Now, if you'd like to watch the video that I just added into my travel journal in this video, you can find it linked right here on your screen. And if you'd like more tips for making sure that the videos you take with your smartphone actually end up in your life, in the real world, to be enjoyed, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.